Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Avyakt Murli, 27th June 2021. Revised date 26 January 1988. The Alaukik way to become a number one worthy of worship soul at the confluence age. Today, the eternal Anadi Father and the first original Adi Father are seeing their eternal Saligram children and the original Adi Brahmin children in their double form. In the form of Saligrams, you are supremely worthy of worship, and in the form of Brahmins, who become deities, you are worthy of praise and worthy of worship. Both fathers, the original and the eternal, are pleased to see the souls who are worthy of worship in both forms. The eternal Father has made Adipita, original Father, Father Brahma, and also the Brahmin children even more worthy of worship than himself in the double form. The eternal Father is only worshipped in the one incorporeal form, whereas Brahma, along with the Brahmin children, are worshipped double in both their incorporeal and corporeal forms. So, the Father makes the children greater in two ways, even greater than himself. Question: by using which method can your intellect continue to make the right decisions in Laukic relationships? Answer: never think about Laukic situations when making a decision. Decide whilst in a powerful Alaukic stage. When you keep things of the past in your awareness, your intellect is diverted to those. The sanskars of the past then also emerge and you therefore find it difficult. Completely forget your Laukic attitude. Consider yourself to be a soul and then make a decision, and it will be an accurate decision. This is known as the throne of a conqueror of sinful actions. The Alaukic soul conscious stage is the throne of the stage of conqueror of sinful actions. So, make a decision when sitting on this throne and it will be accurate. Today's blessing is: may you be full of all powers and be free from all bondages with the awareness of the companion and of being a detached observer. Again, may you be full of all powers and be free from all bondages with the awareness of the companion and of being a detached observer. In order to be full of all powers and be beyond any dependency, always remember two things. First, detached observer. Second, companion. By doing this, you will quickly make your stage that of being free from bondage. When you have the company of the Almighty Authority Father, you automatically receive all powers, and by moving along as a detached observer, you will not get trapped by any bondage. Simply stay in your body in name to carry that task and then become a detached observer. Especially increase this practice. Slogan: if there is a battle going on within you between the impure and the pure, then instead of being a Brahmin, you are a warrior. Again, if there is a battle going on within you between the impure and the pure, then instead of being a Brahmin, you are a warrior. Om Shanti.